What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another Rammstein reaction video. So today we're gonna be checking out Puppe by Rammstein. So recently my good friend Jimmie went out for a Rammstein concert and it was super awesome and it was super nice to share with me some photos and some videos, and in one video was this song and I kind of liked it. And I asked him what song this was and he said this is the song Puppe, and I was like sure, I'd love to give it a listen. And I was thinking maybe I can share it with you guys as well, rather than me listening to it alone. So that is what we're gonna be doing right now, checking out this song. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into it. So this is a live version of the 2019 show. I have to say the guitar intro, it also goes into the song. Man, it's haunting. And there is that baby carriage thing. That's a camera. Is imitating the child movement. And it's, like I said, this guitar thing is kind of feel like it's haunting.
Sie nicht mit der Bahn. Ihr Schaffensplatz ist gar nicht weit, ist gleich im Zimmer nebenan. Am Himmel dunkle Wolken ziehen, ich nehme artig meine Medizin und warte hier im Daunenweg, bis die Sonne untergeht.
The guitar part, simple but effective. It's so beautiful. No guitar, it's just his drums and his vocals, man. Oh, it's on fire, the baby is on fire. Baby's on fire.
Wenn Schwesterlein der Arbeit frönt, das Licht im Fenster rot. Ich schaue zu durch Schlüsselloch und einer schlug sie tot. Und jetzt reiß ich der Puppe den Kopf ab. Ich reiß der Puppe den Kopf ab. Ja, ich reiß der Puppe den Hals ab. Jetzt geht's mir noch.
Man, it's getting everything to the vocals. And they switch back to that guitar part. Simple, but man, it's haunting. Man, what a song that was. I have to say once again, big thank you for Jimbo for showing me this song and introducing me to this song. And man, it was amazing. Like, I really like that guitar intro there, and the way they keep it throughout most of the song is just, it gives that haunting vibe to the song, man. So I looked up the translation, looked up for the English translation for the lyrics, and apparently Puppe means doll. And in the lyrics, it's basically what happening is like, the big sister is going for work, and she gives the little sister, I guess, okay, it doesn't mention, but basically gives the younger one a doll to play and lock the room and goes away so that the kid would not go out and get into any trouble. And he says, the kid says, her sister is not that far away. She doesn't have to go that far because she's working next door. And then the kid goes to says like, when the night falls and they go, and sometimes they come and go. There are more than one people. There are two, and the sister screams, and apparently that is because she's like a prostitute. But the problem is, she gets clubbed to her head, and I guess she apparently dies. Imagine being the kid, man, like seeing the only person that is there for you to take care of you, and seeing them clubbed to death. It's one thing that you see that the person that care for you dies, but it's another thing that you see that it's just like crushes the kid from deep within and crumble, you know, like there's all sort of emotions going through the kid's head. So I guess that emotion is perfectly like conveyed, even though I did not know the meaning of the lyrics. I could feel the anger in Till Lindeman's voice, the way he screams. Like, he uses all his vocal cords range, everything to make that work, especially towards the end of the song. He gave it everything. Like this, like I said, always when I listen to Rammstein, it's that the music, that is the beauty of music. English, please. That is the beauty of music, ability to transfer emotions that words cannot. And that was my reaction to Puppe by Rammstein. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. And a big thank you for Jimbo for showing me this beautiful song. So yeah, a big thank you for Space Cowboy, Joe Church, Jimbo, Jimmie V, Susan, Wenwei, Taylor Armac, Brad Baker, HiddenEye, Shadow Shaped Zigzag, and Cathy McMahen for supporting the channel. So thank you so much for all the amazing support over there on Patreon, and it would be awesome if you guys you can also check out Patreon and support the channel. And make sure to comment down your thoughts regarding this song and let me know what Rammstein song we shall check next, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Then peace.